Hello friends, it has been 2 years since I started this channel. It is just incredible how fast time flies. And this video is basically a big thank you note to all of you. So today we are going to talk about the channel, about its growth, about its future, and if you want, you can take part in our very modest giveaway. Okay, so let's start by analyzing this channel as we would any other business. Individual insiders, that is a check at 100%. Well, I really have some skin in the game. Super investors, not right now, but patience is a virtue, so let's wait and see. Return on invested capital, that is a check at 36.3% in the last year. Very impressive. Net profit margins, also a check at 25.3%.
Pretty good! Pretty good!
Share buyback, that is an X, no change in the number of shares. But then again, there is only one share at the moment, so that would be a little bit tricky. And that is a check. Bold Investor Incorporated does not have any debt. Okay, growth. Subscriber growth. It is a check at 400%. In 1 year, we went from 2,600 subscribers to around 13,000 subscribers. Views growth. Also a check at 439%. We went from 115,000 views to well over 620,000 views. So the growth is incredible and I just can't thank you enough because it is all thanks to you. Thanks to you watching those videos, commenting, liking, and also supporting this channel financially, either by super likes, YouTube community, or by becoming a Patreon or buying my course. It all adds up and allows me to spend more time on the channel and create more and hopefully better content. And speaking of Patreons, that community is also growing beautifully. Now we have not only the stock ranking and dividend ranking, but also the newest addition, Stock Ranking Pro. And looking at the engagement, you seem to like it a lot. But there are some very interesting changes coming really soon, so stay tuned. Also, another major change is this place. Last year, I moved from my old office, which was taken from me by force by my 5-year-old daughter, to this studio. And it allowed me to really concentrate on the channel and its growth. And I just love it here. I hope you like it as well. So what is in front of us? Well, if all goes according to plan, I intend to continue to experiment with other formats to see which of them you find helpful and interesting. I am also starting to work on a new course, which I hope should be very useful to some of you. If you have any ideas for videos, formats, changes to the channel, or things you would like to get as a Patreon, or courses you would be interested in, write it in the comments. I try to give you as much value as I can, so your feedback is absolutely crucial. Also, let's go through some of our YouTube analytics. First, which countries are in the lead when it comes to the number of views? At number 5, we have India with 2.6% of views in the last year. At number 4, Germany, 5.1%. That is impressive. At number 3, United Kingdom, 5.8%, pretty close. Second is Canada with 6.1% of views. And at number 1, United States with an incredible 32.6% of views. And let's take a look at the age of our viewers. Well, I guess I'm not very popular with younger teenagers. I don't know why, I'm trying so hard. Maybe I should change the music.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell them I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do.
Maybe. Okay, so now the moment you all have been waiting for. Well, probably not really. The very, very modest giveaway. So, as some of you may know, on our Patreon page you can buy 5 different financial ebooks. And if you are a Patreon, you can get one or even all of them for free depending on your tier. But if you are not a patron or you are in the lowest tier, now you can get any of those ebooks for free. So, to get one of those ebooks, you should do 2 very complicated things. One, send me your email so that I can send you your ebook. And to do that, just write to me which of our ebooks you would like to get and which format, EPUB or MOBI. My email is in the description. And the second thing you should do is tell your friend about this channel, or write about it on your social media, or text your friends or family about it so that we can grow. And that growth allows me to spend more time focusing on this channel and hopefully creating even more value for you. And as Buffett used to say, you want to do business only with people that you can trust. So there is no need to send me any proof that you actually informed other people about this channel. But please do it. There is no better way to find like-minded people than a genuine word of mouth. Oh, and be quick with your emails because only the first 20 people will get the ebooks. 2 years, 20 people. Next year, well, I hope I will be able to actually give you something much more valuable, but let's wait and see. Thank you again for making all of this a reality. And if you would like to see my video about creating this new studio, then click here. And it is actually a pretty fun video, so you may enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for your ideas and your emails, and see you in the next one.